Hey there, future FPV pilots. You've been dreaming of soaring through the sky, but let me start with a reality check. Hold off on buying that drone just yet. I've seen too many people quit after a few flights because they picked the wrong controller, wasting tons of cash in the process. Remote controller is the nervous system of your drone. Choosing the right can save 10 drones. I'll show you how in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set your budget. Under 500 RMB, go for a screenless controller. Plug it into a simulator via USB for free practice. Lightweight, easy one-handed operation. Many come with Expressler's protocol. No need to replace it when you upgrade to a real drone. Real-time parameter tuning and battery signal. Premium choice. Get a controller with an external TX module. Flexible protocols and precise sticks make it perfect for. Step 2. Consider flight range. Short range under 3 kilometers. An internal TX module with Expressler's works great. Long range over 3 kilometers. Go for an external TX module. Pair it with a 915 MHz module and external antennas to cut signal loss even at 10 kilometers. Handles complex environments like a pro. Step 3. Evaluate ease of use. Total newbie? Pick a minimalist controller with voice prompts. It connects to simulators right when open and prevents accidental inputs. Tech-savvy explorer? Choose an external TX module controller with OpenText system. It can customize programming, add modules for new features, and level up from beginner to pro. Follow these 3 steps to start your FPV journey. The right controller makes all the difference. Subscribe for next week's guide on practicing with simulators. Like, save, and share. See you soon.